Do you have 10 million naira sitting idle in your bank? That is not a good financial practice. What if I showed you a short-term real estate property buyback scheme that can fetch you 50% returns on your investment in 12 months? You can take advantage of this short-term real estate investment offer if you watch this video till the end.
Financial freedom requires sound investments, and in order to achieve this, you need the right investment strategy, which begins with knowing where to put your money to make it work for you. That is why we are glad to present the buyback scheme by Landview Properties Investment Limited, a great opportunity for you to invest in real estate. With the buyback scheme, you get to buy a unit of 300 square meters at one of our prime estates, which is City Nest Phase 3 Extension, with a minimum of 1 million naira, and resell to us at 1,250,000 naira in 6 months and 1,500,000 naira in 12 months. You can invest with as much as 5, 10, 20, 50, or even 100 million naira based on your preference or financial capacity. Interesting, right? When you invest, you will be issued a receipt of payment, a letter of acknowledgement, a postdated check, and a sales agreement as legal documents.
Are you ready to start off this investment journey with as little as 1 million naira today? Call the number on your screen for a chat on WhatsApp. I am Niro Ajayi, and I'm happy to help you through this process of your investment. Thank you for watching.